What's good? It's your boy CEDTV. I don't know where this is at in the vlog, but if it's at the start. Hi, my name's Ced. I'm 19. How you doing? Welcome to the channel. This is probably gonna be the first part of my moving series. I will be moving out in about a month. We're just documenting this moving out series. You know what I'm saying? I'll be moving out at 19. Big boy things. Am I ready? We have this deep freezer here right now because it was a whole struggle of getting this out the house. I had to dump it out. I already dumped the water out. So now what we're finna do is play the B-roll.
When I walked in, I fucked the bitch, not a dude, just stalking my page. I got 2 minute options to make. I fuck all of my bitches the same. Put in the chat for a rain. I did the dash like dang. She see my wrist and said dang.
Y'all see what I was doing with my hands? Yeah. If you ever see somebody doing that, stop them there. They're probably gonna fuck up. With that being said, continue. Look at this. Look at the form. Preposterous!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh my goodness. Oh my, what happened to Cedric? Oh. Big boy games, yes sir. Help! Help! Finna go on a little grocery store run. I literally just need one item, but I just need it really, really bad. So come along, guys.
Pray you get that job in time, bro. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything.
Didn't get anything from the grocery store, so on to our next stop. Okay, I just been sitting here for like 6 minutes deciding whether I should get gas, which was my next stop. But honestly, I think I'm finna just go home. I'll just get gas tomorrow when I get off. So yeah, back to the crib we go. All right, y'all, back at the crib now. So y'all know before I left, I was finna break down this. Not break it down, but like clean it out, bag it, put some stuff in bags. I don't know. Y'all just watch and y'all find out what happened. Yeah, these are the only chords I got and I don't even know what they mean. was going through my stuff as I was like packing some stuff up, right? And I found my senior pictures. None of these pictures matter. Like, don't worry about this. Wait, no, this one actually matters. Don't worry about these two in the red shirt. Look at this. You see that? Do you see that? Wait, hold on. Let me turn the light off a little bit away from me. Okay, boom. I'm trying to get the glare. You see that? I'm trying to get it off the glare. Y'all see that? Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Wait, hold on, hold on. Y'all want to see the one with the smile? Boom. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all remember when my locks was short? Bro, look at that smile. Look at that. What girl don't want that? Come on now. Come on now.
You know that I'm missing you. I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over.
Alright, y'all, so we just got done emptying out the drawer, loading that suitcase up with stuff that I'm going to be taking with me. I still got some more stuff to get rid of. Like, I gotta sell some shoes. If you need some Jordan 1s, Electro Orange 11.5, hit me up because I'm selling those. They're like new. If you need pictures, contact me on Instagram. I got you. But I gotta get rid of some shoes, and I got to. I really don't have a lot of stuff in my room to take with me. So yeah, we gonna see, man. But so far, when it comes to getting rid, I just sold the deep freezer. The deep freezer is going, as y'all see me, you know what I'm saying, big body in that deep freezer. It is going now. But it's currently 6:46. I really don't know what I'm about to get into. I'm probably gonna just take a shower and kick it for the rest of the night, watch a little YouTube, you know what I'm saying. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all.